Hello everyone, this is Kalidas. I am happy to meet you all in a new video. Thank you for my subscriber. Keep supporting me, keep motivating me. Share my YouTube channel to your friends and trading circle in Saudi Arabia. If you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please click subscribe button. And I have one more Facebook channel called Saudi Stocks and Derivative. In this Facebook channel, you can get update about Saudi stock market related information, IPO information, all updates you can get here. Join my Facebook channel if you not yet joined in this channel. Now let's talk about Saudi TASI index, all share index. Now the Saudi TASI index is trading around 8,236 level. This 8,236 level, before touching it's go up to 8,400 levels. 8,400 level, it's acting as a resistance level of the TASI index, because this 8,400 level, the TASI touch before corona level 8,490 levels in January 2020. After 8,400 level, TASI resist here. It's almost trade 1 week on that same level and it start to fall. After that, corona issues came, corona pandemic came, and then TASI fall very steep fall, 6,000 level. From 6,000 level to now 8,200, 8,236 level, it's now trading. 8,236 level is medium term support for this level. Coming week, if this support is act as proper support, we can go for buying. If this support is not acting properly, we can see more fall in TASI. But world market and all over the market is giving more support for bull run. So, but current market scenario, the new investor and new buying of share is not advisable on current this level, because those who bought in the 6,000 level in March and April of this year, they are booking the profit 8,400 levels. So I am expecting little bit correction in these stocks, but all over the world index is supporting. If this correction is not happen, if the TASI index move above 8,450, 8,490 levels, if they break this resistance, we can go for new fresh buying. Up to that, we have to wait for the new fresh buying. If you are existing investor, you should wait for support, and if support is not break, the support 8,200, 8,150 level, it's not break, we can go for long. And if new buyer 8,400 level, we can go for new buy. So we should not sell. If you are in the good profit, you can sell your stocks. Now let's talk about my first stock recommended in our Facebook channel. The company called Al Baha Investment and Development Corporation. I recommended at 22 Riyal 6 halala on August 26. In August 25th, one day before, at evening, company announced half-yearly result. In that result, I find out company turned its loss to profit. The company profit per share has increased. Before the same half-yearly result, the company announced minus 3 halala per share. The company earned profit per share. But on current half-yearly result, the company announced plus 3 halala per share. So that the current period, the company earned totally 6 halala per share company earned. So I find out the company profit turns from loss to companies moving to profits. So I find out this company has potential to move more, and I recommended in our Facebook channel at 22 real. Now let's see the chart how the stock performed during that period. See, August 22, August 26, it was in the 22 real. So the 22 real, from 22 real to the stock went up to 37 real on this period. 37 real, it's touch on almost on that period. 37 real, it's touch 15th September. 14 days, the stock reached 62 percentage. So 62 percentage in 14 days, it's a good profit, but still the stock is in the bullish mode. Those who has the stocks, they can continue to hold. If they want to book partial profit, they can book partial profit. Still the stock is in the bullish mode and the stock is performing well. We can see good up move after 37 real breaking. Coming week, the stock I expect to break 37 real. If this close above the 37 real, the stocks may go 41 and 42. Now let's talk about one more new recommendation. The stock is called Saudi Fisheries, Alasmak. The company is doing fishing activity in Saudi Arabia. The company stock is trading now 54 real. This was before the stock is during the COVID session. It's almost 15 to 20 real. It was trading around 15 to 20 real. It was trading in the month of April to March to May. After that, the company has broken its resistance level 26, and the 38 to 49 real was a long term resistance, 2 years resistance. The company has broken the resistance and now is making every week new high, and it's reached 54 real and 57 real. Now it's trading around 54 real. I am expecting after breaking the 57 real, the company, the stock share has reached up to 75 and 80 levels. Upcoming weeks, let's see how the stock will perform, and I recommend to buy after 57 real. Let's see how the stock will perform. Thank you so much. If you like this our recommendation, and if you like our video, share to your friends and your trading community and circle. And if you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe the channel and join our Facebook channel. Thank you so much.